Want to allow users to upload images in your iOS app? Let's do it with SwiftUI. Hey everyone, welcome back to Coding Expert. In this video, I'll show you how to let users select and upload images from their phone gallery in a SwiftUI app. Let's get started. We'll start with the easiest way, PhotosPicker, which was introduced in iOS 16. It provides a simple built-in way to select images from the gallery. Here we are going to do three things. 1. Displays the selected image. 2. Uses PhotosPicker to pick an image. 3. Converts it into a UI image for display. So let's jump into the code. First, import PhotosUI. Now create two variables. One is selected item and its type is PhotosPicker item. The second one is selected image and its type is UIImage. Change team none to personal or whatever you have. Let's run the application. Now app is launched. Click on select an image. Here you can see phone's photo gallery. Select an image from the gallery. Here you can see the selected image. That's perfect. Now run application in the simulator. Now app is launched. Click on select an image lecture. Select an image from the gallery. Here you can see the selected image. That's perfect. So now you can allow users to upload images in your SwiftUI app, PhotosPicker, for iOS 16 Plus. For older versions, you can use UIImagePickerController. If you want a video on UIImagePickerController, then comment below. I will make a video of it. Use PhotosPicker for iOS 6. Use UIImagePickerController for older versions. Which method are you using in your app? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more SwiftUI tutorials. Thank you.